This is a 2021 Starcraft EX22 FD, otherwise known as their fishing model. It's equipped with a power bimini, a 115 horsepower command thrust Mercury motor, stepping into this pontoon. Two large loungers in the bow with cup holders. This pontoon is equipped with the cover. There's a changing room. Large storage under the helm with courtesy lighting. Another large lounger. Two fishing chairs on the stern with rod storage and your live well. Ski tow. Stepping up to the helm. The Humminbird Helix 5 fish finder, depth finder. The Bluetooth Jensen stereo. Pontoon is rated for 11 people. High back helm chairs. Whether you want to pull a tube, go out to the sandbar, or go out and fish, the pontoon is ready for it all. This is a 2021 Starcraft EX22 FD.